As an entrepreneur, there often comes a time when you have to raise capital from investors or lenders. This usually requires a detailed business plan or a pitch deck. There are 3 reasons why you don't have a business plan. First, being the busy person that you are, you don't have the time to write a business plan. Second, you don't know what to write. And third, you don't know how to put together the financials. The worst part is, until you write a business plan, you can't raise capital and can't grow your business. Basically, you're stuck. That is where we come in. At Sinvest Capital, we take the pain and frustration out of your business plan so that you can continue to do what you are doing best. Unlike most other business plan writers, we don't use standard templates from the internet. Every business plan is written from scratch and fully customized to your requirements. Since most of our consultants have first-hand experience in dealing with investors and running their own businesses, we understand exactly what is right for you. Plus, we can help you avoid many potential mistakes that entrepreneurs make while writing business plans. You will work directly with a senior business plan consultant who has relevant experience in your industry so that you get the best value and inputs for your business plan. At Sinvest Capital, we have helped more than 2,000